try to get him.
What are you getting, fatties? Were you guys a McDonald's family?
Yeah, I was McDonald's. Oh my god, if they're not open, I'm gonna be upset. No! Go through it anyway.
They're closed. Look,
You never know.
Hey, you guys trying to cut us a deal?
they're gonna make your stupid go home.
Silence.
Yeah, let me get a...
If you're at a get-go.
Alright, fucking go.
I'm not. Thank you.
Oh my god!
Turn right.
Turn right! Turn right! Oh my god!
What happened?
So
Wait, what do you mean what happened? They have
You almost just rammed into a curb.
You get an octagon in your backyard, Ethan, before you move.
Yeah. Oh wait, stop.
What would happen if
Look, that guy's laughing, so my truck was laughing at you so hard. Just casually filming when there's a monsoon going on. See, my camera's up on this thing. Oh, that's gold. My car's shaking!
Oh, I bet you could see that thing move.
How tall do you think that is?
Shut up, Ethan. We already discussed this.
Oh, you can see that thing. How tall do you think that is? Like 400 feet?
Oh! You got it?
No!
No, I said, you know what's funny? And they
Sorry.
in between the seats.
Go ahead.
What's that thing called where it goes right here? It was on Shark Tank.
They make something like that?
They make something.
Oh! Another thing that we have to talk about. Remember how I was talking about protein pills and you looked at me like an idiot?
Yeah.
Fucking protein pill ad came on in my Instagram and I was furious. I was like, I knew that was a good idea. Actually, it wasn't pills. They come in like little pack. You got protein on the go, disposable, anytime you want, doesn't matter. And I'm furious because I had that fucking idea
Should have patented it.
years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, I shut you down this month.
You did. You told me. No, nobody would ever buy protein.
I want you to go outside. Go stand out there and hold it up.
That's how Thomas Edison found electricity.
I thought Benjamin Franklin flew a kite.
You think it was Ben Franklin? Thomas Edison was the light bulb.
Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas Edison.
Thomas Edison. Joseph Swan.
Oh yeah!
And
there was some
and-
like no fuck. You're becoming more and more like me every day. The old me, and that's what I'm scared of.
What's the new you? Married man with a ring and 5 kids
No,
that are all daughters.
I'm a lot more stable, I'd say. Wouldn't you?
Okay. Yeah. That wasn't convincing at all. Okay. I'm gonna go home.
Always a pleasure.